फिर how was the experience once you reached Yash Raj?
I actually went to the in-house casting division and I auditioned with the in-house casting director at the time, Abhimanyu Ray. My friend.
इसी फिल्म का कोई सीन था कि ऐसे ही कुछ?
जी, 2 सीन थे इस फिल्म के.
कौन से सीन्स थे?
एक तो था कि सर मैं बताऊंगा, सिचुएशन बताऊंगा तो स्टोरी बता दूंगा.
ठीक है.
But there were 2 scenes from the film and they saw the audition, they liked it. And Adi sir tells me today that after seeing my first audition, he had decided that ये लड़का है. And he tells me that now. Of course, at the time,
Aditya Chopra.
He had decided in his head.
Okay.
That this is Bittu Sharma. It was Manish who took 2 weeks to be convinced.
Okay.
So every alternate day, they would call me back to test another aspect of me.
Okay.
So then they called me and they said, "Chalo, tu acting kar leta hai, dance kar sakta hai, chalo dekhein." So then they made me dance. Then they made me do an emotional scene. Then they made me do a sitting with the writer, with Anushka.
अनुष्का ऑलरेडी तय थी, आप साइन थी.
आई थिंक जहाँ से ये बोल रहे हैं कि एक पॉइंट पे इट वाज डिसाइडेड कि ये मतलब मोस्टली यही लड़का होगा, लेकिन इनको नहीं बताया गया था. सो एट दैट पॉइंट मनीष हैड कॉल्ड मी फॉर अ नरेशन.
ओके.
एंड दे जस्ट कॉल्ड मी फॉर नरेशन सेइंग कि वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ लॉन्चिंग दिस न्यू गाय, बट एनीवे दैट्स नॉट डिसाइडेड. यू जस्ट कम इन हियर द स्क्रिप्ट एंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द स्क्रिप्ट और नॉट. So he called me for the audition. उसी के अगले दिन मैं पहली बार रणवीर से मिली जब उनका एक्चुअली ऑडिशन फेज ही चल रहा था.
Okay.
तो उन्हें मुझे बुलाया गया था अगले दिन जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के नरेशन पढ़ के मैंने कहा माइंड ब्लोइंग, लेट्स डू इट. द नेक्स्ट डे रणवीर वाज कॉल्ड एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम.
नहीं, रणवीर के साथ मैं काम नहीं करूंगा.
नहीं.
बोला था ना. Manish told me this also. Manish told me this also.
No, yeah.
Adi, sorry, Adi told me.
No.
Somebody told
not
me.
At all. What rubbish? Not at all. Please, I think I haven't been more convinced. The thing is that the first time that I met Ranveer, उनका honestly जब मेरे संग audition हुआ था, did not go so well.
अच्छा.
That audition did not go so well. Then the same day when
stunned by her beauty, sir.
Oh, please.
क्या बात है.
Oh God, please do.
Rendered incapable of acting at the time.
And then did she put you at ease? नहीं देखो.
Then when that happened, it did not go so well. So उसके बाद in the Manish, I said, yeah, he looks the character, but was that okay? Was that okay for you? And he's like, yeah, today something is off with him. And then Manish showed me his audition, and I saw Manish and Adi showed me his audition, and I was like, this guy is because like he's a very good, Ranveer is a very good actor, and he saw that in the audition. So maybe that was just an off day. होता है सबका होता है. मेरे साथ भी हुआ था जब मैं audition कर रही थी. So that was it. But I think क्योंकि आपने मुझसे पूछा था, did you like have any apprehensions whatever working initially क्योंकि newcomer थे. ये जो character है ना बिट्टू शर्मा का, ये इतना नया character है really. It's such a different. You haven't like seen like a boy like that for a very. I don't think